Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can send an email directly from Notion. If you've ever wished you could quickly fire off a message while working inside your favorite productivity app, this tutorial is going to make your workflow faster and a whole lot smoother. By the end of this video, you'll be able to compose and send emails without ever leaving Notion, using Notion's built-in email feature. Let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, look down at the bottom left corner of your Notion workspace. There you'll notice a new icon labeled Notion Email. It might be a little envelope or mailbox symbol depending on your setup. Go ahead and give that a click. If this is your first time, Notion will prompt you to log in using either your Notion account or your Google account. This is a key security step, just like other platforms that ask you to verify who you are before letting you send mail. If you've already logged in like I have, you'll skip this step and go straight to the next bit. Now, after you've logged in, you'll be automatically directed to the Notion email interface. It's pretty straightforward, but let's take a closer look. Up in the very top left, you'll see an icon to compose a new email. Usually it's shaped like a little pencil on an envelope or just labeled Compose. Click that. This is where the magic happens. Right here, you'll get a blank email form where you can enter everything you need. Let's start with the recipients. In the To field, type the email addresses of the people you want to contact. You can add more than one if you're sending a group message. Just make sure you separate each address appropriately. Then fill in the subject line. This part is important. A clear subject helps your recipient know what the message is about before opening it, kind of like a book title that lets you know what the story might be. Next, you'll enter your actual message in the main body area. Take your time here and write out what you want to say. If you need to make it professional, maybe for work or school, double-check your spelling and tone. If you're just dropping a quick note to a friend, keep it casual. Notion also gives you some handy extra tools within this email window. For instance, if you want to send a file, maybe a PDF report, a photo, or a document, just click the Add Attachment option. Find your file and upload it. There's also an Add Snippet feature, which is perfect if you have reusable chunks of text, like quick replies, meeting notes, or even signature templates. Using snippets can save a ton of time, especially if you send similar emails often. And you'll notice the Add Availability button, super handy for coordinating meeting times, so your recipient instantly knows when you're free without a bunch of back and forth. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with your email, it's time to send it out. Just hit the Send button. It might take a second for your email to process and send, especially if there are attachments or you're emailing a large group, so don't worry if you see a brief loading spinner. And that's it, you've just sent an email from Notion without ever leaving your workspace. How easy was that? This can really streamline your day-to-day communications, making it easier to stay focused without switching between apps all the time. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop them below in the comments, I check them regularly. And if you want to see more Notion tips and productivity tutorials, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.